Uh, Welcome, colleagues, on our international mechanical keynote speaking. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be discussing lesson 1. So you've got lesson 1 of our keynote speaking. So that is for our keynote speaking colleagues in this case. So in lesson 1, we are going to draw a quadrant. So in this quadrant, this is what we are going to have in this quadrant of ours in terms of a speaker, and then what a speaker needs to do in this regard. Remember, when you're a first-time speaker, there's a lot of things that are happening as a first-time speaker. So in our training, we take people through the whole process, because we know that the first thing that will happen, in this case, we'll have someone that is going to be nervous. It's the first time they are doing this. It is first time they're being in front of people. You see, you are on the stage and people are looking at you. You've got 30 people, 50 people, you've got 1,000 people that are looking at you. So you'll have that nervous system that is there. In our nature as people, we are nervous until we are given a chance to speak in public. So in speaking, that is one thing that makes a lot of people have a fear of speaking. It is because they are nervous to stand in front of people. So as a technical speaker as well, it is very difficult because engineers are not trained to stand in front of people. They are trained to be in front of machines. That is something that is not able to speak in this case, in this regard. So what you need to do is, in order for your presentation to be very easy, you need to go to step number 2 now, which is what you need to draft what is called your story maps. So we'll discuss that in the next coming days. What is a story map, and then how do you go about designing a story map in this case? Remember, as a keynote speaker in your mechanical engineering, you'll have to do what? You will be given 45 minutes to 1 hour. So you need to make sure that your speech is congregated in that 45 minutes or 1 hour in this case. And then from that, what is it that we are going to do is you need to build a rapport. You need to do your rapport. The rapport is your report in terms of what is it that you will want to do in this case. And then when you finalize, you will have what is called a story. You must have a story. Every keynote speaker must have a story, the history of where they are coming from, and then how did this story develop to the instance where they are in line with keynote speaking. So, colleagues, thank you very much for listening to lesson 1 in terms of your keynote speaking, and then we'll take it forward from there on the next coming day. Thank you very much. Thank you.